Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com, making this video to show how this indicator, these three indicators work, especially Sam HiloCross and the confirmation with it, Sam's Confirm. I have this template already applied on my chart. This is a profile that I made. This is, by the way, USD Yen daily chart on the left hand side, and then I have this here, another chart, the half of the screen, which I will be switching to H1, H4, 15, all different. It's very important to see if the daily trend is what. Okay, so if in this case we have a strong daily trend, the last time these indicators aligned was here, and after that you can see what happened. So now last week we have a retracement, you can see here, right? We've been retracing for some time now, but now the indicators are already nicely aligned here again. So daily, you can see it. So this indicator, Sam's Confirm, is the one that moves before anything. So it's gonna go up already before this one. Sam HiloCross will make a cross, okay, later. So this is a confirmation. We are already turning to the upside, and it is the Sam HiloCross is about to make a cross. So daily is perfectly fine because we have a nice uptrend on the daily chart. So let's see on a 4-hour chart if it's giving us any something like that, any setup. And what we see here is a similar situation here. In fact, this Sam's Confirm is already confirmed that we will have an up move because it already went up. This one is about to make the cross, HiloCross. So 4-hour looks very good. What about 1 hour? Okay, so 1 hour is already, making a move to the upside. Okay, and you can see the daily here. So what I did is I use my Magic Wave strategy, Forest Magic Wave strategy, to make an entry from a 5-minute chart. You can see on my website, it's all over the place how it works, 3 steps on it. The price has to retrace into the wave and then come out with a momentum bar, blah blah blah. So you can see the setup, for example, on the website. So let's see if we have the setup and what I did, and then you will see the follow-up. Okay, let's go, and you can find some trade, some pair having daily setup like that, or already inside the setup. Like once you have a setup like this here and then it plays out, you can see it just keep going and going and going, and this Sam HiloCross is all the way on the top. What you do is, in this scenario, you just take these setups on a lower time frame, knowing that the daily is strongly upside. Now this same thing probably going to start again because these are aligned and it is about to go up. Okay, you have a horizontal level there, you have a trend line there. But the thing is that with this indicator, I don't want to discuss about anything or show anything, because this indicator, if you want to trade with these indicators, there has to be all alone. Okay, by themselves, no Elliott wave, no support resistance, trend line, or anything else, or harmonic patterns or whatever. Okay, so let's go see how. Let me turn into the 5-minute, and then let's see if I can find my where is it, man? Okay, here. All right, so what I have here is I have these bottom indicator hidden. That's when you get this strategy, Magic Wave strategy, you get those. But we have a setup, and then you can see the price went above the wave and then came down here nicely, and the indicators were in line, both of them, and then price came out. I placed a buy stop there, and it's already in. Okay, even though it is just below the 5-minute 200 EMA, which is dangerous. But in order to show it, and by the way, the time is also not correct right now. This is not my trading time. It's 11 p.m. Eastern time, which is a big no-no. But just to show you how this indicator works, I am making this video. Okay, so I hope it's clear. If you like what I just showed, the indicator is up there. It's almost nothing, and you can just get it, download, and practice on it. And you can always see a lot of pairs showing you the setup, like this one. If, like I said, if Sam's HiloCross is all the way up, traveling like this, and then you see that the move is up, then you look for this setup on 4 hour and 1 hour and 15 minutes, and then take it from there, because you gotta go with the continuation. Okay, this is how it is. So I hope you understand the whole thing, and this is it. Hello everyone, Sam is here again with the second part of the last night video. I showed you that this USD yen was going up. It was in an uptrend and bouncing from the TL. Possibly again, we have a long setup here on a daily chart, so we will take small setups from smaller time frames to go long. So you can see here clearly that this one here was a long setup. Then again, this one here, the long setup, and now you're getting another one here to go long. If this TL hold, and if we are standing here above this low here, start going up, then on a 1 minute chart you can make nice and clean entry to go long. If it breaks down, that's a different story. But this thing here, you can see the daily is holding very nicely. We came down from here because of this low here. This becomes resistance now. So we hit that low, this area here, and then drop. And we are like 50% of the whole thing, probably. And if you hold here, if this TL hold, then we may go up. So this is what happens usually when you're going up against it. You have areas like this. You have this one. Then if you go above this, then you're gonna hit this white band, then drop back down to this level, then go up, hit the TL, then drop back down to this band, and then break it and go this high, then this high. One by one. Staircase. So this is what happened, but you don't even have to bother with that. You see if you have a daily setup, take it from, you see the 15-minute, and then go hit it from 5 or 1 minute. Let me show you some other pairs, what they're doing. Yen pairs are the best one right now because they're having a setup. See, like here, right? This is also already turning up, and this is about to make a turn. Not ready yet, but it's in the position. And you see this was here. I sent out this chart to my subscriber the other day, and I just got an email from someone making 180 pip out of this pair. So anyway, this one you can see here. You come here in a 15-minute chart, you see the entry was here, you see an entry was here. Even this one alone, you see that 169.20, it went up there, 170.20. So that's 100 pip. And you can also see that they go exactly to resistance or support, which are very clearly defined if you look for it. So this one went up straight to this high, this low here. So easy to find. If you have these two charts side by side and this indicator's on, just have this, once you have a setup, like this one before, we had it here, right? So from this to this, just look how many pips, all right? That's what I'm talking about. EJ, same setup here, right? And then you have a long setup here, another one here, but wasn't too good now. You probably will get hit on a break even, right? Because of the euro is getting weaker. Okay, euro is getting weaker. I had a euro index chart set out to my subscriber the other day, and it is playing out. So this is it. This indicator, this is how it works. Have your daily chart or 4 hour, whichever you like, but I like to see daily in place so that you can hit it for a long time in that direction. Okay, so daily is in place and a long, strong trend to the upside. All those yen pairs that these retracements finish, then when this indicator's in line, go on a 15-minute, get them in line there, and start hitting entries from 5-year or 1-minute chart. Okay, if you have your entry set system, fine. If not, use my Forest Magic Wave strategy, which is pretty good to make these kind of entries for 30-40 pip moves easy. Pound yen, you can make more at least 50 pip easy out of that 100. See, the last one on pound yen was 100 pip, right? So if you start from here, you can take it out, somewhere on the period. Forget about the rest. Even if you make 30, 50 or 60 pip on this pair, it's enough, because you have, several other pairs as well giving you setups. So this is it. If you like what you see, make a move, or else, I wish you the best. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.